everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Desiree with the Typical Budget. I just wanted to drop in and go ahead and make my budget by paycheck results video for the first part of the month. Today is Wednesday. I did get paid a little early when it comes to Chime. If you don't know what Chime is an online bank account that allows you to get paid up to 2 days early, and I've been enjoying Chime for, I don't know, I think it's almost a year since I've had Chime. I've never had any problems with them. I will link my referral link below. That way, if you want to check it out, you can. And if you do sign up and follow the instructions, you can get a $50 bonus. And after that, you can invite other people to do the same. So if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and do so now. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you would be notified anytime I upload a new video. So let's go ahead and get started with the paycheck results. So for the income, I did budget off of $1,486.81. When it comes to rent, that amount is always the same, so $362. I've already gotten that in my cash envelope. For electric, I did pay $73 instead of $80. My bill was actually $72 and some change, so I did round that amount up. For Walmart, y'all, I've been, yeah, we ain't gonna talk about Walmart, y'all, because I've been shopping. Toilet paper. What else I buy? Toilet paper, Lysol wipes, disinfectant spray, all of that good stuff. I've been literally shopping with Walmart. This is my first time I've ever spent so much money when it comes to Walmart, literally. For AT&T, I did budget for $216.35, and they already took their money out of my account. So for Netflix, next month you won't see this on my paper at all because I don't actually pay out of my account. I just use my Discover card. So there's no need to me adding this into my budget unless I'm going to pay that Discover bill. But they did take $9.84 for groceries. As you can see, I did go over groceries. I did budget for $125, but I ended up spending $145. Not too much, but it's enough. I was trying to stay under budget for once. For rideshare, I budgeted for $10. $10 got deposited. For health, I budgeted for $50, and that amount did get deposited. Why is everyone calling me? See, that's why I can't make a quick video and people are still calling me. My phone is on do not disturb, but people are still calling me, probably texting me. My mother, she's probably worried about me at this moment. I gotta, yeah, moving on. So car maintenance, $40 went to car maintenance. For fast food, I went over my fast food. I think I'm going to start giving myself $50 for 2 weeks instead of $40. I know that I can get this amount under control. It's just, I don't know. So I spent $46.56. For fun money, I budgeted for $10, paid $10, and I did go ahead and get that money from the bank as well. For gas, I budgeted for $15. I only spent $10. Surprisingly, $10 almost got me a half a tank. For out of town, I didn't go anywhere, but I'm keeping that money in that envelope, so $70. So when it comes to vacation, I did budget for $20, and $20 got automatic deposit. For savings, I did save that $210. For the salon, I did not go to the salon. I'm kind of scared to go to the salon, so that's why I haven't went yet. But I may still end up going. That's why I did put it into my second budget for the month. For gifts, I did deposit, or $20 did get auto deposited. When it comes to the total expenses was $1,464.69. I actually have $6 left over, guys. Can you believe it? $6 left over. That's what I have in my bank account at the moment. $6, which is not a lot, but hey, it's better than zero or a negative balance. So thank you all for watching. Hopefully you all have a good day or a good night, depending on when you're watching this video.